Hey, what's up, YouTubers? Welcome back to my channel, all about blackjack. Alright, so I'm going to teach you real quick. I'm going to do a tutorial on the in bet. Alright, the in-between bet. Alright, so the in-between bet is a side bet in blackjack. And basically, you'll see like your bet here, and then on the side, you'll see like a little circle that says in bet. Alright, so what you're betting on when you place, $5 or $1, most casinos, they'll let you put $1 in there, up to about maybe $500. What you're betting on is that the dealer's up card is going to fall in between the ranks of your two cards. Alright, and you're going to get paid if that happens. If the dealer's up card falls in between the rank of your two cards, you're going to get paid. Alright, based on, and the payment is going to be based on the gap or the spread in between those two cards. Alright, so what does that mean? That means if you have a 2 and a 5, that means you have a 7, right? It's a hard 7. Okay, well, there are cards that fall in between the 2 and the 5. For instance, you have the 3, you have the 4, you have the 3 and the 4. Those are the cards that fall in between the 2 and the 5. You have the 3 and the 4. So if the dealer's card is a 3 or a 4, you're gonna get paid based off of that spread. All right. So these are the payouts. And after I read these payouts, we're gonna actually play the game of blackjack, and you're gonna actually get to see the in bet in play. So that way you'll kind of learn it better, with the visual presentation of it. Okay, so these are the in bet. This is the in bet pay table. Basically, any in between bet, that's if the dealer's up card falls in between any card, it's going to pay 1-to-1. A 3-card spread that's if it's 3 cards fall in between your 2 cards. If there are 3 cards, any of the 3, it's going to pay 4-to-1. The 2-card spread is going to pay 6-to-1. The 1-card spread is going to pay 12-to-1. And the triple match, which is no spread, but your 2 cards, say for instance it's a 3 and the dealer is also sporting a 3, that's a triple match. That's like the jackpot, and that's going to pay you 30-to-1. All right, mind you, the in bet is a sucker bet. All right, it's a little bit more gamble friendly than some other sucker bets, but it still is a sucker bet. All right, and sucker bets are bets that have extremely high house advantages. Alright, but this bet in particular though, it will kind of help you if you're going to be playing the in bet. It'll kind of help you kind of offset some of those losing streaks. Alright, but if you are going to be betting this bet, I would recommend that you allocate funds specifically for this bet. So for instance, if you're going to have $300 in gameplay of blackjack and you want to bet the in bet, what you don't want to do is every now and again bet the in bet. You might bet $20 at the in bet, then you might throw $10 in the in bet, then you might go down to 5, and then you might not bet it at all, and then you might start betting it again. All right, see what's going to happen there is the time that you don't bet the in bet is the time that you're going to hit the triple match. Okay, you're going to be pissed. So the best thing, what I would suggest for you to do if you're going to bet this bet is to just go ahead and allocate, a certain amount of money specifically for in bets only. All right, because again, the in bet is a side bet at blackjack. All right, so all right, now let's play some blackjack. Let's give some examples of the in bet. All right, so what we'll do, we're gonna start with $300 here. We'll use green chips, and these green chips represent $25, which is the leading. Most casinos use the same colors. All right, for your standard red $5, green $25, black $100, and then from that point they change color. All right, but those standards are 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so we'll do $100 in red. We'll do $100 in red and $200 in green. This is ideally if you're going to start with a $300 bankroll and you're going to allocate $100 for the in bet. Those are going to be what your red chips are for, and then you have your $200 in your gameplay. 6 will stay with 18, 12, $22. That's a nice $100. It's close. Alright, here we go. So we got that. We'll lose our in bet, and we push here. Let's try to span them out one more time just to see if we can get some in bets going. I want to show you some in bets. Come on, some in bets. Here we go. In bets.